In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your visibility on Booking.com so you can attract more guests and grow your bookings. Let's jump right into it. One of the most effective ways to boost your visibility on Booking.com is through high-quality professional photos of your property. Capturing clear, inviting images of the bedrooms, bathrooms, and any amenities you offer can make all the difference. Don't forget to include shots of the surrounding area too, as this can give potential guests a feel for the location. With great visuals, you'll have a better chance of attracting clicks to your listing. When it comes to pricing, staying competitive is key. Regularly comparing your rates with similar properties in your area can help you position yourself effectively in the market. Utilize tools like Booking.com's Price Performance Dashboard. This handy tool helps you stay ahead of the competition by giving you insights into how your rates compare to others. Another tip is to enable instant booking and offer flexible cancellation policies. This flexibility is incredibly appealing to travelers and can make your listing stand out to a wider audience. Next up, make sure your property page is entirely optimized. Take the time to write a detailed and accurate description that not only highlights the great aspects of your accommodation, but also sets realistic expectations. List every available amenity you have, no matter how small it might seem. Make sure your availability calendar is updated for at least 6 to 12 months in advance. This foresight can help capture bookings from guests planning longer in advance. Consider joining Booking.com's special programs, such as the Preferred Partner or Genius programs. These programs can significantly boost your ranking in search results. However, joining these isn't just a switch you flip. They require maintaining strong performance metrics, so aim for great reviews and consistent service to make the cut. Speaking of reviews, it's vital to be responsive. Quickly responding to guest inquiries and providing excellent customer service doesn't just improve the guest experience, it can also lead to positive feedback. Fast response times and positive reviews can significantly enhance your visibility on the platform. Lastly, make use of promotional tools like early bird offers, last-minute deals, and mobile-only discounts. These limited-time offers are an effective way to stand out, especially during high-demand seasons, and can attract more guests to your listing. And that's it. By incorporating these strategies, you'll be well on your way to increasing your visibility and bookings on Booking.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.